an apple tree. Orange glows so happily. Yellow shines like morning light, making everything look bright. Green is grass where we run and play, dancing leaves all through the day. Blue is sky so big and wide, clouds go floating side by side. Indigo comes when day turns night, soft and calm, a peaceful sight. Violet sparkles at the end, like a soft hug from a friend. Rainbow, rainbow colors all around, 7 shining stripes are found. Red, orange, yellow glow so bright, green and blue, a lovely sight. Indigo, violet softly shine, rainbow, rainbow, yours and mine. After rain the world feels new, raindrops sparkle like morning dew. Then the rainbow starts to rise, painting magic in the skies. Kids all clap and shout, hooray! Rainbow time has come to play. Red says smile with happy cheer. Orange whispers, I am here. Yellow giggles, follow me. Green hums softly like the sea. Blue sings gentle, smooth and slow. Indigo and violet